are at IFSEC 2022 event Pragati Maidan in hall number 5. And with me, Mr. Ganesh Jivani sir is here. He is a managing director of Matrix. So, Ganesh sir, can you brief us what security product are you displaying in this event?
Good morning, Bhavin, and good morning, everyone. IFSEC 2022 is a event happening after a couple of years, and we are all excited about that. And we are bringing all entire Matrix portfolio to this show. Uh, Beginning with, let me take you around the booth. Starting with this being a security exhibition, we are focusing mainly on security products, video surveillance. Matrix is into network security cameras, NVRs, embedded NVRs, and server grade NVRs, and also VMS. So we have all these products here. Matrix cameras start from 2 megapixels to 5 megapixels, 8 megapixels, PTZ, and all that. In NVRs, we are right from 8 channels up to 256 channels. So those NVRs are actually shown here. Uh, this video surveillance products, we are focusing mainly on enterprises and projects. We are not so much focused on consumer grade video surveillance solutions. Moving next, we are also showing our security access control and time attendance products, where we have an entire range of biometric devices, face reader devices, fingerprints, the RFID card readers, and with panels. In access control and time attendance, we offer entire solution from devices to the central software and mobile apps. Moving forward, the in our people mobility management, we have a suite of solutions. So the solutions include time attendance, access control, cafeteria management, visitor management, contract workers management, and Waybridge integration. So all these solutions are here. The different devices and different formats, uh, including the panel and the IO controllers, face reader devices, then the fingerprint with cards and without cards. So the entire product range displayed here. Pavin, yeah. Finally, we are showing our telecom products. In telecom, we do unified communications, IPPB access, and media gateways, and VoIP phones.
So, very innovative product are you displaying? Ganesh sir, can you brief our follower and subscriber our stall number and hall number so people can visit your stall and see live demonstration over here?
Yes, we invite people and viewers and other people to this exhibition IFSEC 2022. IFSEC 2022 is happening in hall number 5, and Matrix booth is K10.
Do visit.
Do visit us. Thank you.
So,
Yes.
thank you, Ganesh sir, for your valuable time, sir.
Thank you, Bhavin, for this opportunity of displaying our products. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.